East winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? In Massachusetts, northern Berkshire County. In New York, Rensselaer, eastern Columbia and southern Washington counties. In Vermont, Bennington County. When? From 3 p.m. this afternoon to 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Flood watch in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Portions of central New York and northeast Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in central New York, Broome, Chemung, Chenango, Cortland, Delaware, Madison, Onondaga, Schuyler, southern Cayuga, Sullivan, Tioga and Tompkins. In northeast Pennsylvania, Bradford, Lackawanna, Luzerne, northern Wayne, Pike, southern Wayne, Susquehanna and Wyoming. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may also occur in the typical poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Areas of northeast Pennsylvania have seen up to 1 inch of rain so far, and some areas may see an additional 1 to 2 inches over the next 12 hours. Locations of central New York are expected to receive 1 to 3 inches through this afternoon into the evening hours. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch in effect from 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through late tonight. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Greene and Ulster counties in eastern New York. When? From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through late tonight. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop. Flood watch in effect through this evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? A portion of southeast New York, including the following counties: Orange and Rockland. When? From noon Eastern Daylight Time today through this evening. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Creeks and streams may rise out of their banks. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Additional details. Anywhere from 1.5 to 3.5 inches of rain has fallen over the past 24 to 36 hours, and another 1 to 1.5 inches of rain with locally higher amounts is expected to fall today through tonight, mostly during the afternoon and evening hours. Although rainfall rates might not reach an inch per hour, chances of flash flooding have been enhanced due to the recent rainfall. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. And now the hourly information for...
This is going to be an adventure, isn't it?